Chief. I'm
Welcome to another edition of I'm So today's message comes in from Brian from Phoenix. The inspector busted me for doing a rehab without permits. That was a smart frickin' move. Any suggestions? Yeah, well, you know what? It's one of those challenging things, Brian, where a lot of us have flipped homes and we don't pull permits because the permit process is a pain in the ass. Let's face it, it could take a lot of time. I live in San Diego. I've built homes in the Florida Keys, and permitting is a nightmare. Some parts of the country, it's just right over the counter, easy breezy. The work you're doing needs permits, like a roof, kind of obvious, pull the permit. If you're putting new windows in, kind of obvious, pull a permit. If you're doing stuff inside, I should say pull a permit, but we know in the real world, most people don't pull permits. In this particular case, it depends how bad it is. How far are your pants down? Are your pants just a little down, or are they around your ankles? Because if he came in and you've been framing, doing electrical and plumbing and drywall and inspection and asbestos and a roof, you got a lot of explaining to do. So best thing you do is go beg for forgiveness at the county inspector's office, get your permits, pull your permits, pay the permit fee, draft whatever needs to be drafted, do the drawings, and move on. If on the other hand, if it's just a little hand slap, sometimes you can just pay for them right over the counter, move on, and next time, be a little smarter so you don't screw yourself again. Hopefully that's helpful. Hey, if you feel like you're being hosed in a shitty situation, leave a comment below or email us, and I'll try to answer your question for you.